Hello everyone and welcome back to the stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to learn advanced backend and system design, and this is day 39 of that. So if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So let's get started now. Just like I'll check my. Alright. Hello lazy sloth, welcome to the stream. How are you? Okay, so we were working on refresh token abuse, right? We have to protect this one. Okay. I would recommend blindly copying waste several parts of the instead of. Okay. First, what we are building, refresh token protection service. Okay. Acquire refresh token lock, release fresh lock. Hello, Idriel King. Welcome to the stream, brother. How are you? Release refresh token log, validate session, logout request detection, and okay, fine. This service will be called auth service. Adriel, lazy sloth. What are we doing today? Today we are trying to implement refresh token abuse protection. That is the main goal for today. Basically, we don't have any protection against getting the refresh token. So for that, we have to protect that one. So that is what we are going to implement today. Adriel King, DB design done, bro. Oh, that's nice, Adriel King. Okay, auth service or refresh session. Okay, refresh. Yeah, this is the main thing. Service security refresh protection dot service. Okay, refresh protection service. Read only refresh lock prefix. Okay, read only lock TTL seconds. Acquire refresh lock session ID, lock key. This is a refresh lock prefix with session ID. Wait, redis dot set lock key locked example. This lock. Okay, we have this one. Then if there is no result, um, if there is no result, throw new app error, refresh. Okay, request already in progress lock. Okay, validate session is revoked. Okay, we have these modify. Lazy sloth. Is system design optional or mandatory to prepare for FANG or MANG if my focus is more than DSA? More on DSA. See, DSA will help you to crack interviews and all because for FANG companies you have to be very good in DSA, right? So DSA is mandatory. But like for example, if you are already in the industry and you're not a fresher, then they will ask you system design concepts. Modify refresh signature refresh session user agent. Okay, add lock protection. Okay, validate session properly, log user agent mismatch, improve use detection. Okay, update controller, final infrastructure. Okay, fine. So we need to implement this. Supreme DS, good afternoon, bro. What's up? Hello, Supreme DS. Welcome to the stream. Like we are trying to implement refresh token abuse protection today, so that is the main goal. Log user agent mismatch. Okay. Only log user legitimate face browsers. Hello, Anime Creator. Welcome to the stream. Sir, I am in BCA second year and only know Python. I'm very good. Please enlighten me. Okay, if you already know Python, then first build a habit of doing DSA with Python, and then along with that, if you're interested in full stack development, then start learning Django or Fast API. Learn about backend development, and then after learning backend, learn full front end, and then start applying to companies and build projects. FNK Gamer, welcome to stream. Bro, I want to start making a study vlog and dev learning journey. So any suggestions? Just be consistent. Be consistent. Audio crack. Am I audible right now, guys? Dev learning journey. So any suggestions? Okay. Indian King, LinkedIn scraping is very complex because LinkedIn aggressively look for unusual activity. So in V1, I decided, okay, nice, nice Indian King. Okay, yeah, actually, most of the like Reddit also does not allow direct scraping. Palan, hello Palan, welcome to the stream. How many years did you take for learning all those stuff? Basically, I started development when I was in class 11. Then I got into college. There I started learning few things more. Around 3 to 4 years of development I've done. Okay. Bro, so much noise. Okay, नकुल भैया डीएसए में पूरे टॉपिक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है ना. It depends like which type of company you're targeting. If you're targeting FANG based companies, then yes, you have to go deep in DSA. But if you're targeting service based company or normal product based companies, then string arrays, linked list, stack use, only these things are fine. But if you're targeting product based companies, then you have to learn about graph and all those things. Okay, let's start implementing this. Fine, I can go here. Backend, SRC, modules, auth, security. Here we have refresh protection dot service. Okay, here we can create a refresh protection dot service dot ts. Okay, and we can keep this here. Okay. Fine, Redis app error. Okay, we are creating a class refresh protection service. Okay, export class refresh protection service. Then here we have private read only refresh lock prefix refresh lock prefix equals refresh lock, and there we have private read only lock ETL in seconds equals 5 seconds. Karthi, hey bro, how was your day? Hello Karthi, welcome to the stream. My day was fine. How was your day? Okay, then we are creating a function called acquire refresh lock. We are passing the session ID lock key. Okay, result. Okay, already in progress. Fine. Acquire refresh lock. Okay, so async acquire refresh lock, and here we can pass session ID, which is of type string, and then here we have const lock key equals this dot refresh lock prefix, and here we have session ID. Okay, we have this, then we have const result equals await redis dot set, and then we are setting the lock key. Then here we have locked, and then expiry, and then this will be this dot log TTL seconds. Okay, and then here we have NX. Fine. Karthi, yeah, fine with fever. Oh, bro, you got fever. Take care, Karthi. Take care of yourself. Okay, we have this. I hope you get better soon. Then, if there is no result, we can throw new app error. We can throw new app error. Refresh request already in progress. Okay, already in progress, and here after this we can have 409. Okay, we have 409. Okay, Karthi, thanks man, welcome Karthi. Okay, this one, then we have to create another function here. You can create this function async release refresh lock. Release refresh, we are passing the session ID lock sync this one, and this, then there's the validate session. If session only, okay, validate session, get to login news. Hello Mukul, welcome to the stream. Yo bro, what's up? Today we are implementing refresh token abuse protection. That's what we are trying to implement today. Okay. So after this function, we can create here async release refresh lock. Then we have session ID of type string, then const lock key equals dollar this dot refresh lock prefix, and then we have session ID. Okay, then await redis dot delete this lock key. Okay. Shravan, hello Shravan, welcome to the stream. Hi bro, what's your opinion on UI UX designers? See, UI UX, especially UX, is one of the most crucial part of any application, and especially if it's a user-facing application. Like if your application is directly used by normal people, then obviously UI UX matters a lot. Right now, AI can write the code and all, but still you need to have that designing skills where you need to understand the colors. You have to understand typography. You have to understand like how to make the user experience smoother. Okay, cool. Karthi, yeah, bro, don't forget to do Q&A tomorrow. Yeah, man, I'll try my level best to do Q&A tomorrow. Okay, we have this one. Then we have here, just a sec. Hold on. What is the issue? Are we lagging? Are we lagging, guys? Just a sec. Are we lagging? Health. It seems fine. Okay. Then why are we lagging? Why the hell am I lagging, man? Let's see, yeah, everything is fine here as well. Guys, do let me know if I'm lagging or not. Do let me know. This one. Here. Mine is also buffering. I don't know why. No, mine is CRT. Let me know, guys, if I'm lagging or not. Just give me a hint or something if I'm lagging. Am I lagging? Stream health? Stream health looks fine. Then why am I lagging? Okay, let's continue. What the hell is wrong? No, mine is CRT. What is CRT? Do let me know, guys. Am I audible? Am I lagging or not? Just let me know once. Can let somebody let me know if I'm lagging or not. Yeah, like this. We can keep it here. Then here we have validate session. Validate सेशन नेट स्पीड टेस्ट में तो सही एंड स्पीड फिर क्या हो रहा है ये आई डोंट नो ब्रदर आई डोंट नो लेट्स सी हाउ इज माई नेट स्पीड check my internet speed okay let's do one thing go here it's from his side I did the same okay settings output let's make it 2000 apply then okay let's see now what is happening speed test by Ukla go okay yeah net speed seems fine this is my download speed this is my upload speed what the hell is happening just a sec guys just a sec guys I need to check something hold on what the hell man what the hell okay your network is slow hello Abhishek hello am I still lagging the hell is going on like what the hell is wrong with the net speed seriously settings output make it 1000 okay keep it like this fine close it go here now let's see okay my network is slow now it's fine how is the net now still lagging do let me know session then here we have session passing is here and then here we have is deleted which is also of type boolean and then here we have expires at the type date we have this okay then if session Google search real debug speed test okay I'll check it just a second Jitantai session dot is deleted throw new app error and here we have session no longer exists 401 it should be 401 okay then after this if session dot is revoked throw new app error and here we can say session has been revoked okay and this will be 401 fine cool in my browser it buffers and shows stream didn't pause and lagging behind I press on live and buffers couldn't bandwidth something it's eating it okay hi Abhishek is current goal to master backend or still stick with building product now like actually I have an idea for my startup and for that I have to learn few more things so that's what I'm trying to learn it's not lagging on my side okay thanks thanks Saus thanks a lot man thanks for letting me know And Mukul, maybe you can try to refresh it. There is no lag. Okay, thanks, thanks, Smoodify. Thanks a lot. Okay, बेंच कोडर, हेलो बेंच कोडर, वेलकम टू स्ट्रीम। यार भाई आजकल स्टार्टअप्स असाइनमेंट क्यों देते हैं, और वो भी हार्ड। आई रिसेंटली गॉट एन असाइनमेंट फॉर फ्रंट एंड इंटर्न विच इंक्लूड्स स्टैंड स्टैंड। Yeah, actually, it is a good thing that they are giving assignment because they want quality people, right? So it is good only, not lagging anymore. Okay, thanks, Mukul. Amu 901. I am myself running okay, fast API SQL. I don't need agentic AI. Path is right. Okay, not lagging anymore. Okay, nice. Thanks, Nived. Fair enough. Really respect the efforts. Thank Nived. Thanks a lot, Nived. Okay, so we have the session has been revoked. We have this one. Session has been revoked. Fine, we got this. Then after this, we have log refresh reuse. We have data of type user ID of type string, and then we have session ID of type string. Okay. After this, we have console dot. Let's not use console. Let's use logger. Logger dot warn, and yeah, we can create this user ID. Warn. Okay, logger dot warn. We can say token. Just a sec. We are using this. Nived, it's better than 5 DSA rounds. Ha, true man. Bro, ये बताने के लिए 5 मिनट वेट करना पड़ा। क्या बताने के लिए? Okay, yeah, that is what we are doing. Refresh token. This. Okay, log refresh token, and we are, let's see, what are we taking as input here? Let's see. Just a second. Like this. Here logger.warn. What is it expecting? Expect at least one argument but got 0. For message was not okay, it is just expecting the message. Okay, what we can say is refresh token reuse. Okay, stream not buffering. Okay, thanks, Smoodify. Thanks for letting me know. We have this, but what I can do is I can keep it like this. And here I can use event. Okay, just a sec. I have this one. I can keep it like this, and here I can pass the objects, right? So let's keep it event. Let's call it refresh token reuse. Okay. Then user ID will be of type data dot user ID. Okay. Then after user ID we have session ID, which will be data dot session ID, and then here we have time stamp, which will be new date ISO string. Okay, fine, we have this one, right? This is correct. Then after this we have log suspicious refresh data, and here we have user ID of type string, then session ID of type string, then we have previous user agent optional of type string or null, then current user agent of type string or null. Okay, understood. Then what are we doing? Fine. Then we have, okay, again same thing, logger.warn. We are using this. Logger.warn event. Event will be suspicious refresh. Suspicious refresh. Okay. Then data.user ID, session ID, and here we have previous user agent. Previous user agent, and here we have data dot previous user agent, and then we have current user agent, and here we have data dot current user agent. Okay, we got the timestamp. Okay, we got this as well. Then export const refresh token protection service equals new, this one, new refresh token. Where is it? Yeah, this one, new refresh token, this one. Okay, okay, fine. So this we have done, right? Then what is happening? Modify refresh session signature. Okay, so if I go here and if I go to my auth.service, in my auth.service, where is it? Refresh session, logout, update session, yeah, refresh session, right? We have this refresh token, and then also we are going to accept user agent, which is optional, and it will be of type string. Okay, we have this one. We want user agent validation, then add lock protection at the beginning. Refresh token, verify refresh token payload. Okay, okay, got it. So here only, before we create the session, await refresh token protection service dot acquire refresh lock. Hold on. What is okay, not this one. We have not this one. Hold on. If I go here and refresh token protection service, this here, and here if I go refresh lock, we have exported this object, right? So I need to import this object. Okay, yeah, fine. We have this, and here we have to use this one, existing user, hold on, login user, get login user, refresh session. Okay, this dot acquire refresh lock and pass here payload dot session ID, right? And wrap at the beginning. We have this. Okay, try finally. Scanty is lock cleanup. Okay, give me the full refresh session code. Okay, let's see. So just, yeah, we have this. Okay, then after that, try, and then we have a try, and where is that catch part? Try, and okay, not finally. Okay, so here what we need to do is, from this entire line, copy this one, copy this entire part, cut it, and then put a try block, and then have a finally part as well. Okay, and here we can put this like this. Okay, we are putting it like this, and finally part we are releasing it. Hold on, where is it? Wait, refresh service dot release refresh lock, and here we have payload dot session ID. Right, this is what we are doing. Yep, and in this try segment, in this try part, where is the try part? Yeah, here. So in the try part, what are we doing? Acquire refresh lock, payload session ID, then just a sec. This part also, this payload part, and yeah, after this we have this one like this. Fine. Then we have the try part session. Then if there is no session, we have this session not found. Okay, validate session refresh protection service. Okay, we have this. So this refresh, hold on, where is it? Refresh token protection service. Where is it? Refresh, not refresh protection service. Go here and call it refresh protection service. And after that as well, where is it? Okay, just a sec. Where are the chat? Is the chat updating? Gurveer, he's deeply invested in code. Yeah, hello Gurveer, welcome back to the stream, brother. I don't know why chat in my phone was not updating. Just a sec. Okay, just a sec, guys. I don't know why chat was not updating. Okay, fine. Shantanu, hello Shantanu. There is a spelling mistake in refresh protection service that was exporting in refresh protection service. Can you please correct it? Hold on. Where is it? Refresh protection. Refresh. Yeah. Got it. Refresh protection service. Yeah. Thanks, Shantanu. Thanks for pointing that out. Refresh protection service. And here, if I go refresh protection service, copy this. Refresh protection service. Here we have this, and then the finally part as well. Yeah, here this. Okay. Refresh protection service. Right. Okay. Yeah, here. So this refresh protection service dot validate session, and here we can pass the session. Okay, we are passing the sessions, so these revoked and all these are not required here. Hold on. If user agent and session, okay, pass incoming refresh token. Okay, so this part is not required because we are doing it inside that function. Okay, then what we can do is if user agent Agile Guru, what are you using to host this session? What do you mean Agile Guru, like host this session, like which session? This current session? Shantanu, I'm your new subscriber. Welcome to the stream, Shantanu, and thanks for joining the stream. Gurveer, I think you could have done Control Shift plus F to search and replace across all files. Yeah, it did not come in my head. Okay. User agent and Gurveer, as the mobile chat was not updating, so I sending it again. Hey bro, how are you? What are you trying to do? Accomplish? Gurveer, welcome to the stream, brother. I'm good, man. How are you? And today we are trying to implement this part. Today we are trying to implement. Where is it? Today our goal is to implement refresh token abuse protection. That is the main goal for today. That's what we are trying to do. User agent and session dot user agent and user agent is not equal to session dot user agent. Okay, we have this. Then refresh token protection service dot log suspicious refresh token, and then we have to pass the data here. There we go. Gurveer, what plan have you come up with the just rate limit the request? Which plan? Like what plan have you come up with? Just rate limit? No, it's like here we are not using rate limit. Like here in this part, progressive login lockout, we cached it, and in caching we are updating the count, and refresh token abuse also we are caching it, and then we are checking out. Like if you see here what we have done is acquire refresh lock. If there like we are creating a lock key with the refresh token prefix and the session ID, and then we are setting it inside our Redis server, like Redis cache, right? And then if there is no new like session, then we are saying that refresh request already in progress, like it's a double request, right? And then if that is not the case, it is setting in the Redis, and then we are like after all the processing is done, then we are releasing the lock. That's what we are trying to implement. Space, hello Space, welcome to the stream. Giri Shankar, hey buddy, hello Giri Shankar, welcome to the stream brother, how are you? And we are lagging again. Are we lagging again, guys? Do let me know, guys. Am I lagging again? If I go here, stream health, analytics, okay. Let's see. If I go here, close this, open this, go here, open this, okay. And if I go here, we can keep this here. Discord voice chat live. Right now, Discord live chat is not fine. No, it's fine on my end though. Okay, thanks, Gurveer. I am Shrey, starting 7th sem. I know Java, Spring Boot, REST API, JPA. Created a small HTML project while learning attendance, employee detail. What should I do to focus? I'm confused. Placement in org. Okay, so if you already know Spring Boot, now I will suggest that start building projects. Like what project you have built, that is fine. Now you need to, like your next goal should be to build full stack projects and also do DSA. Okay. Agile. I mean OBS. Yes, I'm using OBS. Log user ID. We are passing the session dot user ID. Then session ID we are passing here. Session ID. Session dot ID. Session dot ID. Session dot ID. And then after that we have previous user agent equals session dot user agent, and then current user agent we have user agent. Okay, we are doing this, and then if incoming hash it and call incoming session dot refresh token. Okay, fine. If okay, fine. Revoke. Before we revoke it, if this okay, what we are doing is refresh protection service dot log refresh token reuse, and here we are passing user ID will be session just a sec, I'm still lagging. Nice. I don't know like क्या दिक्कत हो रहा है आज नेट में. I have no idea, man, and it is such a disappointment that okay, I have some knowledge of full stack. I can build basic apps. Okay, do you think is a good project for me using Stack? My plan is students group study platform, user can sign, create account, groups. Yeah, it's a good project. Do you have any AWS experience? Yes, I have AWS EC2 experience, AWS EBS experience, and AWS RDS. Like these are the things that I have worked with. Amu, I don't. Okay, not human. Okay, nice, fine. Session dot user ID, and here we have session ID, session dot ID. Okay, we have this, we have this. Okay, the new access token, new refresh token, hash new refresh token, const refresh token. Okay, type out refresh token. Okay, we have this on that repo session. Okay, yeah, this is fine. Okay, Redis log may cause false positives. Before implementing, I want to point it out a production concern. The Redis lock may cause false positives. Imagine a situation tab A, tab B at the same time with. Okay, the second request gets okay, even though the user did nothing wrong. This is very common with multiple tabs. Okay, many mature systems don't use a Redis lock here. Instead, they rely on refresh token rotation plus reuse detection, which you already implemented. What I recommend you for your stage is keep refresh token hash comparison, reuse detection, revoke all. Okay, add is iterated validation. Okay. If I were reviewing your code in a production code review, I'd likely improve and leave refresh token in advanced optimize only if a real race condition issue appears in production. Okay, fine. Now let's check it. Is this working? So before I check it, I have to start my Docker service. I have to start my Docker. Yeah. Starting Docker engine. The Docker engine has started, and now we can start my Redis cmd. Like, what is happening today? Like, okay, not lagging. Okay, I think YouTube has a lag of more streams. I think it's normal. Okay, why is my mobile chat not updating? Why was ChatGPT wasting your time getting you to build that? It depends. Like, I asked GPT to implement that. For example, like, I only said GPT to implement this feature, but like in some of the cases these are not required. But I wanted, like, here we are trying to learn all these scenarios, right? So, like, normally what can happen is that we don't need this thing, but I wanted to learn all the possibilities. That's why I wanted to implement it. That's why it did, right? Okay. 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 Wanted to tag. Okay, my bad. Tagged the wrong person. Okay. Why you could do is try to close and reopen YouTube on your phone. Okay. Yeah, I did that. Maybe that fixes the mobile chat issue. Yeah, like, that's what I did. Now it is working, but it is lagging in between. So now I need to check it. Clear cd backend npm run dev. Ayush Taki, bro, you are so talented. Thanks, Ayush Taki. अंशु मोदी, ब्रो, बहुत कंफ्यूजन है whether I should choose Gen AI, Agent AI or the web dev part, cause the placements are coming and I need to show projects after DSA round. Your help will mean a lot. If you want to take a simple, okay, just a second. Redis failed to connect. Oh, I did not start the Redis server. Okay, got it. Just a sec. First, I think you should start with development. Then after development, what you can do is, Gen AI and AI engineering is built on top of development only, because AI engineering and building AI agents, it works on top of development only. So I think you should now do development only along with DSA. That will help you to crack placements. CD backend npm. Let's see. I don't know what is wrong with today's internet. I seriously don't know, man. Okay, भैया कोडिंग से डर लगता है, क्यों डर लगता है आयुष टकी? Like, why? npm, if I go here, docker yes dash a, docker start redis server. Okay. Code Era 01. Hello, Code Era. Bro, please have our Infosys Y3 associate developer OL. Okay, nice. There is no coincidence as the signs are there are all along. It's time to get a new monitor. Maybe the chat is tweaking today. Yeah, man. भैया समझ नहीं आता एक्चुअली today's firstly I'm totally distracted by today's internet. I don't know why internet is not smooth today, so it is creating a lot of distraction for me today. npm run dev. Okay, we have this. Let's do one thing. Let's go here, login user, test user, this, test user one. Let's log in. Let's get the refresh open. What are we getting? Are we getting anything? Okay. And what if I do this again? Okay, just a sec. If I go to auth.route, got the issue. The main issue is if I go, I am not changing the controller part. Not changing the controller part. So in controller also we have to make changes. Yeah. So we have this, and if I go to auth.controller, now refresh to controller, log out, user, okay, check user permission, hold on. We have this refresh token controller, login user controller, login user, okay, auth.route. We have this refresh token user, refresh token controller, and refresh session. Okay, so here I need to get the user agent as well. So const, what package are you using for logging? I'm using Pino. न्यू भाई प्लेसमेंट आने वाली है डीएसए पर फोकस करे यार डीएसए के साथ साथ डेवलपमेंट करो दोनों पे फोकस करो हेलो डेवलपर हेल्थ डेवलपर वेलकम टू स्ट्रीम हेल्थ डेवलपर Anshu Modi. Okay, then what should I choose? FastCP or Spring Boot if I want to get placed? I know Java a bit. If you already know Java, then stick to Spring Boot. What is my question getting deleted? I have no idea, bro. What's your question? Amu, what is your question? Okay. So we need to get the const user agent. Const user agent equals request dot where's that part? Request dot headers user agent, or we have here unknown, and this user agent needs to be passed here. Okay, fine. Okay, so if I go here, close this and restart the server, I restart the server and first I log in, then I get the refresh token. So after login, what am I getting? This one, info. And now if I go here and do this, now what are we getting? Info, post, refresh token, but we did not get in. Just a sec. Refresh session, user agent, payload, refresh token, acquire refresh lock, acquire refresh lock. Okay, let's do one thing here. So this is happening, right? This is happening, and what we are doing is validate session. If I go here, validate session. Okay, session dot deleted or revoked. Okay, so there also we are not getting anything, right? And if user agent, okay, log suspicious. Okay, so we are not getting a way of checking that. Okay, so what we can do is, let's do one thing, that if I go to my PG admin, Gurveer, then on top of that I had a AI, just a sec. Gurveer, yo bro, you remember when I suggested building a search engine project? I tried building a LinkedIn job scraper for the jobs created in the past 24 hours. It was pulling 100 jobs in a minute. Okay, nice. भैया बैकएंड के लिए शीट बता दो. बैकएंड के लिए there's no such sheet. Like you have to first pick one tech stack, then you have to build projects on that tech stack. Only that is the best way to learn any backend technology. Amu, what do you think of deep learning AI website for learning Gen AI and agentic? Yeah, that's a good way to learn. But see, whatever you learn, you have to implement it in a project. Only then it makes sense. Satyam Bhosle, hey bro, what's up? Hello Satyam, welcome to the stream, brother. How are you? Gurveer. Then on top of that, I had a AI classification layer to clean the data, and I provide additional AI insights for a script. Nice, Gurveer. Oh, which project you're currently working on? Right now, I'm implementing this refresh token abuse protection. Okay, bro, I got Infosys, and okay, Infosys always delay their joining, but through work joining in September. Please tell me which offer. These MNCs, they delay the offer. They can also revoke the offer if the market goes down. So I think whatever offer you are getting first, accept that. And should do fresher get placed in Java backend development today AI era? See, I'll tell you one thing very honestly. Yes, there are lots of jobs for Java developer, but the truth is, most of the jobs, if you see, it's for senior engineers. Like at least 2 years of experience is required. So for off-campus Java development job roles, experience is required. Okay. Not even my eyes. Okay. भैया आपकी लास्ट जॉब में आपके पैकेज कितना था? Like it was not much. It was around the tax slab only. That's all I can say. Jatin, hello Jatin, welcome to the stream. Can you tell me how I can think about low level design if I want to create a website like Tinder app? What type of API I have to create? Like how I create the schema? Okay, before you start building any application, sit and draw an ER diagram. Like ER diagram, I think is the most fundamental thing that you can build for an application. Like ER diagrams look something like this. In ER diagram, you basically creates all the tables and create the relationship between the tables in your application. Once you create all of this, then you know what you need to build. So first, build a ER diagram. The project is about a project about DDoS is quite interesting. Okay, nice. We have this. Okay, so what I can do is if I log in here, we get a session. Hold on. And if I go here, session, we have this. We have lots of sessions. Let's delete all these sessions. Delete all these sessions. Delete it and delete it. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's log in. We log in, right? We have logged in, and then we get a session here. So what we can do is revoked or is deleted. Let's make this is revoked to true. Make it true. Okay. Yeah. Make it true. Where is it? As revoked to okay, I have to make changes. Yeah, make it like this. Okay, true. Save data changes. Okay. Now if I go here, we have this is revoked part. Right, we have this is revoked part. So now what I can do is, now if I do this refresh token, hold on, if I before we do this, what are we getting here? We have this one, and now if I do this, session has been revoked. Okay, we are going to session has been revoked. Info login session has been revoked. Okay, so where are we getting this session has been revoked part? Find session by ID, session not found. Okay, just a sec. Error info 401. Just a sec. Where are we getting that? Session has been revoked. Session reuse detected. Okay, just a sec. If I go here, session has been revoked. Okay. If this is true, logger.warn log validate session and log refresh reuse. Okay. आयुष टकी भैया आपका यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइन सेंस कैसा है? बहुत बेकार। मैं तो यूआई यूएक्स पूरे एआई से बनवाता हूँ। ओके जस्ट ओके गुरवीर वर्क बैकवर्ड्स फ्रॉम द एंड गोल ट्रू। चलो गुड नाइट। ओके गुड नाइट अमू। How many years of experience do you have? I have 1 year of working experience. Head developer. Any resource for Express? For Express, yes, you can learn from Chayar Code YouTube channel. You can learn from Piyush Garg YouTube channel. You can learn from Code with Harry YouTube channel. Okay, Gurveer. Don't you want to stress the refresh endpoint for it to flag an abnormal user? Do you want to stress the like? Can you explain, Gurveer? Wishing you all the best for these live streams. Thanks, Shantanu. Not human. I don't even know some concepts existed before seeing your life. Yeah, man, this is where even I am trying to learn new concepts that I did not know existed, and these are like used in production a lot. Okay, Flux Tuber, how to improve English speaking? You can improve your English speaking either by reading, like the way to improve your English speaking is read more English books, read English articles, read English newspaper, then speak more in English and start thinking in English. Okay, Jatin, are you from IIT? No, I'm from. No, I'm not from IIT. Logi, hello Logi. In which company you're working, brother? I used to work in a service-based company. I left my job 4 months ago. Codera, what is your LinkedIn? I don't use LinkedIn. Codera, I hate LinkedIn. I'm more active on Twitter. Okay, so we are getting this issue. Okay, so what I can do is fine. This is not happening. Okay. So here in this validation we were getting this, and here if I go new access token, where is it? Refresh token, try fine. Okay, just a sec. We have this use rejected. So if I go here refresh token, it's the refresh token. Okay, we are passing the refresh. Okay, auth controller refresh token keys only. Okay, login user. We have the refresh token. This. Now again, if I do this, what happens? We get the access token. Just a sec. Refresh token. Oh, here we are setting the new refresh token again. What if I don't do this? Let's comment this one for now, right? Let's comment this one for now. Guys, am I lagging again? I mean, today's net is sucks. Today's net is very bad. Uh, Before I explain myself, what is the sole purpose of refresh token? Simple words for a layman person. The purpose of this refresh token or like refresh protection service is that I want to lock a particular refresh token. Like I want to check if another IP is using that refresh token again, and another browser is like, for example, if a user has logged in from my like I'm logging in with this particular browser and this particular IP address, then somebody steals my refresh token, right? Then I want to acknowledge that like this is kind of a suspicion activity going on in my application. So that's what I want to identify. वेब डेव भाई आपको देख के आया 1 मंथ से सिस्टम डिजाइन कर रहा था एंड आई स्विच फ्रॉम टाइपस्क्रिप्ट टू जावा एंड गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन अकामाई थैंक यू सो मच भाई वेलकम वेब डेव वेलकम ब्रदर एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस Jatin, right now are you creating a startup or something? My goal is to build my own startup, and for that I'm learning these topics. Okay. So you want to limit refresh token on a single IP? Something like that. Something like that. Like what is happening is, in this we are creating a refresh lock. As you can see in this lock key, what are we getting? We are getting a refresh token prefix and the session ID. So this session ID is getting a locked in my cache, right? We have this, and once all this refresh token part is going on, this cache is already there. Only when the refresh token processing is done, like we are getting the refresh token rotation, only then this cache is getting released. So more than, like, for example, user A and user B are trying to, like, somebody hacked my refresh token and that person is also getting my trying to rotate the refresh token, and I'm also trying to refresh the refresh token. So that is when this cache will help me to identify which one is the real part, like which one, like it will not let the hacker actually use the refresh token, stolen refresh token. Okay. I want to check it. Okay. Hold on. We have this session. We have a session. And delete it. Delete this. Now let's do this. Login. Refresh token. We have this. Refresh token. Got this. Info. What do this again? Do this again. Refresh token use detected, and refresh token reuse detected. Okay, hold on. If I go here, we are getting this refresh token reuse detected. Where is it? Where is that part? Refresh token reuse detected. Oh, just a sec. Auth service. Refresh token reuse detected. Okay. This revoke. This one log refresh. Why is it not logging? Why are we not getting the logs? Logger. We're not getting the logs. Why? Why are we not getting the logs? Logger. If I go to my app.ts, index.ts, logger, it is simply logger, config.logger.js. And here, why are we not getting this logger.warn? Let's do one thing. Let's keep it simple. Copy this, like just keep it here. Just a sec. Go here. And here, just do this. Console.warn. Put this entire thing here. Copy this entire thing and paste it here, and this should be a string. And what if we uncomment it? Okay, but what is happening here? User ID and all these things. Data dot user ID. Remove this. Why not getting the logs? If I go here, that's what I want. Okay, so let's try this again. We have this session has been revoked. Okay, we have this. Let's delete the session, delete the session, and web dev bro, is there a Discord community where we all can connect with each other? Yes, there is a Discord server. You can join the Discord server by checking out the link in the description. You will find the Discord server link there. We have this session, and if I go here, let's log in, and now if I go, we're getting this. Okay, and if I do refresh token, we got the refresh token first. Okay, we got this info. Okay, now what if I do this again? Refresh token reuse detected. Okay, and here we get this refresh token reuse detected, console detected. Hold on, what is happening here? Refresh token. See this part, here, why we not getting that refresh token views rejected? But before I throw the error, I should see that reuse error, right? I need to see that reuse error. What if I make it console.log only? Delete this, okay? And now if I log in again, if I log in the user, we have this, refresh it, and do this again, revoked. And what am I getting here? Why? Okay, this is happening, event and all of this is happening. Session ID, timestamp, okay. So, okay. And now if I comment this one and uncomment this one, we go here, what, and so again we delete this. After how long the refresh token is usable again? Just a sec, Gurveer. We have this, and if I go here, I log in this user, I got this here, okay? And if I go here, do this, I got this one again, come fine. And if I go here again and do this again, okay, we have this one. Yeah, even refresh user ID, session ID. Okay, so this is working. This is working. Then log suspicious refresh token. This suspicious refresh token. This suspicious part, where are we using it? I can remove this. This has been checked. I have verified this. And this suspicious part, where are we using it? Hold on. Log refresh will use. Okay. Suspicious part. Finally, I think we are using it. Finally, release refresh log. Suspicion part, log refresh use. Okay. This is working, so I can keep this now. And if I go here, login, do this. भाई आपकी कोडिंग करे कितने टाइम हो गया? I started when I was in class 11, when I was 16 or 17 years old. Vikas, hello Vikas, welcome to stream. Are you learning DBMS Postgres internals? Uh, I have learned DBMS, like Postgres internals. I still need to learn. I have learned about indexing and all those things. Please, Lord. Dude, what are your thoughts on diversity hiring? I don't care about diversity or anything. I just care about skills. So if someone, like, I don't know what's the point of this diversity hiring, and I just hire people with skills. I don't know why people, like, all these companies are making everything about marketing, everything about, see, we have to diverse and all. If somebody has skills, hire that person irrespective of his gender, his race, his caste, his religion. Just hire somebody who is skilled. Diversity, no, I don't give a shit about those things. Okay. Yeah, this one. Vikas, your consistency is crazy. Thanks, Vikas. Thanks a lot, man. Okay, so this part is done. Let's start with account enumeration section. Lazy sloth. Yeah, bro, me too. Yeah, man. Like, I don't care about these things. Like, I just respect skills. If somebody has skills, that person deserves to be, getting his share due of credits. Okay, we have this account enumeration protection. Let's see what this is. Ding 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 ding. This song is very catchy. This new FIFA anthem, Die Die song by Shakira, it is very addictive song. Okay. But the thing is, like this we need only in special cases. The thing that we implemented, this refresh protection, this one we need it only in special cases. Like in most of the backend we don't need it, but it is good to know, have the knowledge. Adi07, हेलो Adi07, वेलकम टू स्ट्रीम। भाई आपका माइक थोड़ा माइक का प्रॉब्लम है क्या? माइक का लाइक जस्ट अ सेक, एम आई ऑडिबल? गाइस, एम आई ऑडिबल? Gurveer, what I have never been able to understand is how platforms like LinkedIn are sending data to the browser in the Inspect DevTools network cannot see the data coming to the browser. Okay, maybe they are hiding it either in the request headers, or maybe they are like, uh, see, with server side on all those things in Next.js, you can hide it in the, like, if you do API, like, server actions and all that, here there also you can hide the data. Maybe they are using something like server action or anything, I don't know. Not him, I just remember this. My senior got through all rounds and finally got rejected because they need female candidates. Yeah, man, I agree. Like, I don't know why these things happen. Yeah, you're audible. Okay, thanks, not human. Okay. Hello, NG Desai, welcome to stream. The data is mostly like gibberish. Actually, they are like in that request, in the response there is a layer of encryption that is happening. So that is not gibberish, that is actually encryption. Like the response is encrypted, and in the front end they are decrypting it also. So that is what they are doing. Okay. Google real debug speed test, please. Okay, what is this? A real debug speed test. Gurveer, I understand what you're trying to say, but there is key encryption. Content length should be also there, right? No, content length should be there. I agree. Uh, no, I'm a junior Java backend dev. I work with Spring Framework and I find backend is the thing which makes us critical thinkers. I agree, Adi. Backend is actually one of the most important part when it comes to developing any software. Enumeration protection. Go here. Account enumeration protection. Let's see what is that. Angel, how much do you pay for internet? Why it is so slow? I pay around 470 rupees per month. I'm going to hack your PC now that I'm okay. Okay, nice, not human. So how did you the legal internet protocol? Die die. Die die. Okay, let's see. So what is happening here is I have this. Now entering a security area that may need a company overlook. What is account enumeration? Account enumeration happens when an attacker can determine does this email exist, okay, without knowing this password. Okay, response wrong password. Okay, we have done this. Okay, user not found. Okay. Why attackers care? Okay. This is something. Use your login endpoint is already partially okay. Audit every endpoint login. Okay, so this we have already implemented actually. Social most SaaS app email is already registered. This technically leaks information. Most consumer app accept this trade off. An email. Consumer already exist. Okay, Google what? Yeah, we have done this. Fix. One. Okay. So this actually we have implemented already. This is already done. Let's do this one bot prediction. Let's predict the backend from bots. If I go here, okay, this we have done already. What if I make it paste it here? And after this, this one, yeah, this captcha part. Copy this, go here, paste it. Okay. Now let's see how to implement that one. At this point, your authentication system has become quite mature. Uh-huh. Bot protection. The goal is not to stop humans. The goal is to stop bot scripts, credential stuffing tools, account creation bots, automated abuse. First, what CAPTCHA is actually for? Not exact CAPTCHA is primarily human verification. It helps answer is this request coming from a real person? Threats against a system. Everywhere. That's on every login. Okay, user hate this. Modern production approach. Most SaaS system risk-based capture instead of always capture. Recommended flow. Normal login success, no capture. Suspicious user. Free login 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now required capture. Okay. This creates low friction plus high security. Okay. Which capture should you use? Traditional reCAPTCHA v2. Default traffic lights 1 unless required. Production choices. Cloudflare. Okay. Google reCAPTCHA v3. My Cloudflare. Turnstile. Okay. Front-end, token, backend, receive capture service. Security capture.service.ts. Verify capture. Verify token. Call the Turnstile API. Oh, nice. Yeah, we should implement this one. After use of face latency counters. And it is keys you already have. Okay. Use then not no storage API contract security capture service. This might capture. Jordan. Hello, Jordan. Welcome to stream. I have notified that a lot of full stack tutorial projects in MERN don't use this type of project file structure. Does this mean that these creators aren't senior level? No, actually, see, they are trying to teach. So most of the like, if somebody is trying to learn, either they are beginners, like they are teaching to beginners, right? So to beginners, they cannot just directly jump to these kind of architecture. This kind of architecture is mainly used in production level applications or something that you want to build, right? So for that one, I think like they are trying to create a tutorial so that even a beginner can learn, right? So for that, they're not using this kind of architecture. So yeah, Gurveer, have you ever tried to run a local LM on your machine? Yes, but it takes a lot of memory. So once I run it, I delete it. Transfer token. Okay, login. Fine. Give me the full board. From perspective, what are you using? Okay, how your front end is implemented, whether capture is always required administration. Okay, Cloudflare style. Let's see what is that. Cloudflare turn style. Capture. Okay. Jordan, bro, there is literally no videos out there with this type of architecture. There should be at least a couple. Yeah, man, I don't know why. Like on YouTube, everybody is teaching for free. Maybe that's why, like, if you join cohorts and all, I think there you will find, like, in courses, paid courses, you will find this kind of architecture. Like, I've seen some reviews. Okay, Gurveer. Also, Tura, just to get you started from there, you actually have to research and figure out things yourself. Yes, I agree. Okay, Blasty Bobby. Hello, Blasty Bob. Welcome to stream. Bro, I'm planning to do MBA after BTech, so it is worth it or not. I don't think it is worth it. Like MBA is, unless it is from IIM, it is apart from IIM. I don't think MBAs are worth it right now. Okay. Turn start build. Okay. Powerful primitives. Okay. DDoS. Build with boundaries. Okay. View docs. Developer tools. Developer tools. Where is it? Turn style. What is that called? Turn style. Let's see. Turn style. Yeah, we have turn style here. Cloudflare turn style. Turn style can be embedded into any website without sending traffic through Cloudflare and works. Okay. Issue channels through cloud. Okay. How turn style works. YHK. Hello YHK, welcome to stream. Did you follow current affairs? Sometimes. Is Cloudflare Captcha paid? I don't think so. I think it is free. With 8 GB RAM, okay. Jordan, is there any website out there for Node.js lead code type questions? I don't think so, brother. Okay. Either I don't know or there is no website like that. Widget types. Okay, fine. So how turnstile works? Script src, we have a script. Okay, turnstile, site key, run challenges, provide token origin worker, verifies token. Okay, turn out the challenge outcome in a visitor browser. First we run a series. Why can anybody tell me why my resume is not getting shortlisted even after applying in so many companies? Like there can be lots of reason. Like, what's your gut feeling? Gokul, and hello Gokul, and welcome to the stream, and thanks for subscribing to this channel. What are you doing now? You're actually reading docs. I haven't seen you do that before. Actually, we are trying to learn about Cloudflare turnstile. Like, we want to implement, implement this feature where we try to protect our backend application from bots. So for that, we can use Cloudflare turnstile. So I'm trying to learn about how to implement that. Like, first I wanted to learn the basics. Maybe the AT is not just shortly. Okay. Managed. Okay, accessibility, features, pre-clearance. Can guide me from this nightmare, bro. Try to send your resume in Discord server. I can review it. Okay. Turnstile concepts, getting started. Overview. Turnstile projects, let's see. Is there any way where we can say that it's a Node.js project or anything? Embed the widget, validate tokens, migration from other captchas, best practice. Okay. Any tutorials? Okay. Actually, Discord link is in the description of the stream. Jordan, and we tailor your resume based on the job. Yep. Gurveer, I would try to actually test your endpoints for the product you will make to see if I can skip turnstile and other protections. Okay. See, like what flow we are going for is like this turnstile is not going to get for all the users. For example, if one user A arrives to my application and that person is trying to log in, and for example, if it's a valid user, that person will log in one or two tries or maybe three tries, right? For example, if a bot is in my application and that bot is trying to hack my server, and that person, like that bot will try to log in 100 times in 1 second, then I would understand that okay, this is a bot. Then maybe I can show a captcha. I say, how many hours do you code in a day? During my daytime, like if there's a freelancing project, then maybe 2 to 3 hours every single day during my daytime. And if I'm trying to learn something on my own, then more than 4 hours. Then that's it. Jordan, what app are you trying to build? Right now I'm trying to learn advanced backend system design concepts. Okay. Where is it? Overview. Turnstile projects, Cloudflare account. Before you begin, you must have a Cloudflare account, a website or web application to protect, basic knowledge of HTML and a preferred server-side language. Or turnstile widget is an instance of turnstile embedded on your web page. Each widget has a site key, a secret key. Okay. Widget server side, validate the token. Okay, so in backend I have to validate that token. Send token. Oh, okay. So in my front end, what will happen is that, for example, this is my client, this is my front end, this is my front end, and this is my like for example, this is my backend, right? So what will happen is this client will get a widget, and if that person passes this widget, I have to pass this, like I will get, after this success, I will get the token. I need to pass that token to my backend server, and then from their backend server I have to take this token and send this to Cloudflare URL, where I will get, like, if this token is verified or not. You have a website or not? No, I have not made a website. Like, basically my clients are my own net of my friends, families, relatives, something like that. Java's been forever. Okay. So you're trying to detect bots at a sign up with Cloudflare. Yes, sign up and also login endpoint. Bhai, when do you use API? API, like which API? Ismail Hussain. Ismail, welcome to the stream. I'm like spending my whole day in front of screen and do code. Like one day I work on development, the next day I do machine learning. Can't focus on or pass anything that is tough than coding. I will suggest that try to focus on one thing first. Try to become good in one thing. Then you can, you know, like then you can actually, then you can learn other things. If you once you master one thing, then you can shift to other tech stack very easily or other technologies very easily. Gurvi, so your network pays you to or takes it as a favor. Actually, they pay me like my network. What I mean is, for example, my friends, my relatives, my cousin. For example, my first ever internship, I got it from my own network only. It was my cousin's friend's startup. Then something like I did a, like few years ago, there was this hotel website that I did. It was also for my friends. So what I do is I tell everyone, my friends, relatives, everyone that these are my skills, and if they know someone, please refer me. That's what I do. Anonymous, hi brother. Hello Anonymous, welcome to the stream. Hi brother, आज लास्ट पेपर था, उसमें भी इंटेंशनली बैक लगा दिया. आई हैव 3 बैक्स नेक्स्ट सेम. अब थोड़ा नेचर में जाके रिकवर करूंगा, फिर होगा कम बैक. नाइस एनोनिमस, नाइस. हेल्थ डेवलपर, इज देयर एनी रोड मैप दैट यू फॉलो फॉर बैकएंड एंड सिस्टम डिजाइन? Yes, I have built my own roadmap, and we are following it phase wise. If I show you this entire roadmap, just a sec, where is it? This roadmap. This is an entire roadmap that I'm following. Right now, we're in phase 4. Like as you can see, there are lots of phases. Right now, we are in phase 4. Where is it? Hold on, not here, not here, here. Yeah. So we are in phase 4 right now. Authentication security. These are things that we are trying to learn. Now, after this, we are going to get into phase 5, where we are going to get into a system design concepts, and we are trying to learn by doing projects. And for that, I'll be building a URL shortener. Okay, Gurveer, I had also made many websites, but okay, nice, Gurveer. Ismail Hussain, same bro. I just randomly do message to near area good restaurant to build. Yeah, man. Like, see, Upwork and Fiverr never worked for me. I always got my clients through my own network. I never got a single client from Upwork or Fiverr. Okay, fine. Widget. Create a widget. First, you must create a website widget. Get the site key and secret key. Okay. Site key and secret key. We have to create a widget. Okay, embed the widget. And a web page forms the applications. Refer to embed the web. Okay, embed the widget. Let's see. Ease of setup. Okay, process page load. Okay, implicit rendering. Okay, so for example, this thing with resource. Okay, customize your widget. Your site key. We have to pass the site key as well. Okay, complete implicit rendering example use case. Okay, on style.render option called JavaScript. Validate token. Held. Okay, can you please like to share? I have shared my Discord server. I have already shared in my Discord server. I randomly used to watch this channel a few months back. Now it has become a habit. Oh, thanks, Anonymous. Thanks a lot, man. I got my clients from Upwork. Oh, nice, Gurveer. I never got clients from Upwork. Light. Hello, Light. Welcome to the stream. Bro, I was trying to learn MERN and all, but only backend gives me chills. I don't even like frontend. And yeah, man, I don't enjoy frontend. That's why I know basics of React and all those things. But for frontend, I heavily depend on AI. Sarthak. Hello, Sarthak. Hey, I just subscribed. Love this kind of stuff. Not the basic CRUD stuff or mediocre ones. Your project tree is what I like as a dev. One should know to tackle. Keep it up. Thanks, Sarthak. Thanks a lot, man. Right now, we're trying to avoid bots in our backend. So that's what we are trying to implement with Cloudflare Turnstile. Okay, so then first embed the create the widget, embed the widget, and then validate the token. Okay. Validate the token. How to do that? Site verify. Okay. Request form secret. So we need two secret keys here. Cause secret key, like we need two secret keys. Validate turnstile. Response fetch. Okay, so we have to send a request to this particular endpoint and token and remote IP. Bro, Claude is bringing models which are literally scaring devs. Yeah, man, Claude is nailing it, and I'm very happy because like if AI is able to write the code, I can spend more time in building my startup easily. Light, okay, got it. I have got some confidence knowing you all. Thanks, Light. Today I saw someone making a clone of a 3D game with single prompt. Damn, bro. Yeah, like this entire AI thing is going next level. Stringify, okay, body. In body only we have to pass the secret key. Smile. Like for last 3 days, I was building habit tracker app. After the final, yeah, see, once your backend is complete, then you can use AI to just refactor the UI part. Can you try that? Uh, Dodgy Daco. Hello, Dodgy Daco. Welcome to the stream, and thanks for subscribing to this channel. So we have this general secret key, remote token, remote IP. Okay, so we are when we are passing this, we are passing all of this in body. We are passing the secret key. Okay, Cloudflare secret key and the response. Result JSON console return validation error. Success. Okay, result await response.json. Okay, so after we get the token, I have to send like this particular code I have to use in my backend. Okay. Different techniques. Whenever retry. Idempotency key. Okay, fine. So now there's a mental picture in my head where I understand the working of it. Gurveer, have you heard about web containers? When website like Bolt and Lovable came, then this term got more exposure. I don't know about web containers. I have to learn about it. Okay. So I am going to use Cloudflare turn style. Just give me the full implementation code of this entire phase. Let's see. I can help you with it, but I can't respond to give a complete end-to-end captcha bypass security implementation without knowing a few critical details of our existing code base. Okay, a full okay. For production grade integration is the implementation plan you should follow with Cloudflare. Okay, so first I have to get the secret key and the site key. Right, we have to get this by getting the Cloudflare dashboard. Okay, captcha service, verify turnstile token and IP. Okay, verify. Okay. Token to DTO validation, captcha token. Okay, login flow, check log. Logging. Okay, routes protected, always captcha, risk based captcha. Fine. Style widget. Okay. Fine. So first let's go to dashboard. First login. Just a sec, as I log in, then I share the screen. Just a sec. I'll log in, then I'll share the screen. Let's log in. Cloudflare. Go here. Just a sec, guys. What key do I need? I need a site key. Just a sec, guys. Just I'll share the code. I'll share the screen just in a while. First, I need to share my store my keys. Where is it? Where is it? Secret key and site key. Okay, it's logging in. Okay, so we have logged in. Let's search here. Turn style. Okay. Okay. I have a quick Google search to see. Okay, I'll check it out, Gurveer. Viewvik. Hello, Viewvik. Welcome to stream. Anonymous. Bro, I suppose I participate in hackathons and I take you as my partner. It's over for others. No, bro. Like there can be people who are better than me. I'm pretty sure that there are much more. There are coders who actually are much better than me. Like I don't never ever underestimate anyone. Okay. Uh, bro, I'm not talking about Vic Studio. I'm okay. Okay. Bruce Wayne. Hello, Bruce Wayne. Welcome to the stream. Hi. Today. Uh, Hi. I joined late today on this stream. But your entire journey, can you tell me what roadmap have you following? I've shared the roadmap in Discord server. I mean, what you have done so far and what is the next to come. I've implemented a lot of things like dependency injection, dependency inversion, data DB bottlenecks, Redis, caching, rate limiting. I mean, then we have implemented a bit of messaging queues as well. Then I have done pagination as well. Then we have done role-based access control. We have done refresh token rotation. We have done progressive login lockout, like a lot of advanced concepts. Entity. Hi, today I understood the difference between motivation and determination, like about being disciplined. I don't know, I feel wise. Yeah, see, motivation burns out, discipline keeps you consistent. Okay. Gurveer, if you ever feel way too motivated or determined, just letting you know that demotivation codes API to exist. Okay, nice. Let's see, add widget. Widget name. Just a sec. How to make it in testing? Hold on. Style widgets. I think here we have to use ngrok as well. Add widget. Widget name. Host name. You have confirmed 0 to 10 available host names. Add host names. Okay. I have to actually like learn about it. Widget mode managed on invisible. Good night, Gurveer, and thanks for joining the stream, man. I have worked with Cloudflare workers a lot and Cloudflare R2. Okay, nice, Gurveer. Lastly, Bob. Bro, do MTech is required after BTech for better packages? Not necessarily. Create a Cloudflare account done. Open turnstile dashboard, select your account, navigate to turnstile sidebar. Add a site. Okay, add widget. We have to add a site. So for that, you have to use ngrok. Widget name, authentication system, host names, local host. Okay, for developer, you can keep it local host only. Widget mode managed. Okay, so here we have widget mode managed, fine. We have this create widget, click, software will generate site key. Oh, okay. Use it in your front end and back end. Secret key, this goes to secret key goes in back end. Okay. Suhail Ahmed. Hello, Suhail Ahmed. Welcome to the stream. What's the best way to learn coding language and anything technical? The best way to learn any language is first watch a tutorial, code along with the tutorial, and then if you just want to learn the language, do DSA in that language. And if you want to learn a tech stack, then the best way to learn any tech stack is project-based learning. Build project using that tech stack. Okay. So here now again I have to hide my screen. Just a sec, guys. I have to hide my screen. Then I share my screen again. So let's create it. Authentication system learning. Then host name, we can make it localhost. Host name localhost. Save localhost. Okay. Managed. Just a sec, guys. I'll share the screen. Just a sec. Create widget. Okay. So we have done this manage, and let's create what we get. Okay, we got the site key. Okay. What I can do is I can go to my code base. I can go to my backend.env. Here I can create this cloud flare turn style. What is the site key? Site key. Then here cloud flare turn style secret key. We have this. Just a second. I'll share the screen. Hold on. We have this one. Let's make it your turn style site key, and here put your turn style API key. Okay, we can close this, and if I go here, we can keep it like this. You site to integrate client side rendering. Okay, go here. Okay, back to style widgets. Okay, fine. What? Hold on, guys. Just a sec, guys. Just a sec. Okay. Close this. Fine. And if I go here, what do we have here? Okay, we have this. Fine. And now if I go here, just a sec. Close this as well. And go here. And add this one. Okay. Fine. Now I can close this as well. I got that, and now I can share the screen. Okay, so I have got the site key. Now, a startup will be a product based service, product based. Suhail, what are you working on? Right now, I'm trying to implement Cloudflare turnstile into my backend and widget also in my front end. Okay, we have this. Site key. Okay, notice next. Okay, fine. Without creating a real widget, test site key. Test keys, test secret key, these always pass verification and are perfect for local development. Our documentation. Okay. Recommend for your current setup. Implement everything using the test keys first. Okay. Testing document. Let's see. Tell side keys. Always passes. Always fails. Test secret. Okay. We have this as well. Okay. So this part we have done. This part we have done. Zeej, hello Zeej, welcome to the stream, brother. How are you? This I have done, then capture service. Okay, so in my backend SRC, Dhairya, hello Dhairya, welcome to the stream. Hello, bro. I'm fourth year student who just finished his 6th sem and have CGPA of 6.73, and I have very less knowledge of DSA and Dev. What should I do? I'm very scared. So you're in sixth sem, right? I will suggest that start doing DSA, like build a habit of solving 3 to 4 DSA questions every single day, and then pick one tech stack. Either you can start with Stack because it is very easy to learn. After learning Stack, start building projects and build a strong resume. Not human. If you have some free time, redesign the thumbnail, bro. Actually, not human. The thing is that I don't care much about the thumbnail, how my thumbnail is looking, and all. Because see, these streams that I'm doing it for myself so that I can be consistent, and I can interact with people who are genuinely interested in development and software engineers. And like I'm not a big fan of making things clickbaity. I want to keep things as raw as possible. That's why if you see my videos as well, it is not so much edited. I just show the entire raw thing that I am. And see, clickbait, I don't want to make things clickbait because personally I'm not a fan of making things clickbaity. That's why I just keep it very simple. And I believe that if I'm doing something and if somebody likes it, that person will watch it, and if that person does not like it, that person will not watch it. So making things clickbaity will obviously get me views, but if that person is not interested genuinely, then after clicking on that video, that person will go away. So what's the point? So I don't care much about the views and all, and I don't want to make things very clickbaity and all. I just want to keep it as raw as possible, as unfiltered as possible. Okay. There was C. Bro, I'm scared that in my campus placement I'll get rejected due to my CGPA. It can happen, right? To be honest, it can happen because CGPA, like on-campus companies, most of the companies don't put any criteria, but some companies can put a criteria that we want only students who have more than 8 CGPA and something like that. Suhail, you don't use AI tools like Claude or Codex? No, like right now I'm trying to learn, so I don't use those tools. Lastly, bro, when will you launch a startup? Once, like my first goal is to understand the backend concepts really well, because my startup is very backend heavy startup. That the idea that I have for my startup, it is very backend heavy. Karthi, I just finished learning LangGraph alongside with you, bro. Oh, that's nice, Karthi. What's your CGPA, bro? My CGPA is 9.19. When I completed my BTech with a CGPA of 9.19. Okay, we have this, and we have modules, auth, security. Okay, we have this, and here we have captcha service.ts. Just a sec. Before I do this, I think I should create a git status, git branch, git branch, this one, git branch, git status, git add, git status, git commit what we did. Hold on. What is the branch rate limiting? Yeah, here only we can do this. What we did, refresh token abuse protection implemented git push origin from this branch. Set branch. Push it here. Fine, we have this. It has been pushed. Then git branch git switch to main branch git branch main git pull origin main git merge this one, git merge this one, okay, merge this, then git push to origin from main. Okay, this code has been pushed. Will I be rejected by most companies, by my CGO? Not most companies, some companies. Not human. Yeah, it doesn't matter if necessary. People will join like me. Yeah, man. Like I just want people who are actually interested in it. Only they will watch it, because to be honest, like my streams are not related to entertainment. It is not related to comedy. It is just related to learning tech stack, a bit of self improvement, and that's it. So these are like for general people, general audience. These topics are very boring topics, right? So I don't want to make it clickbaity to get all the audience. I just want people who are interested in these things. They will watch it naturally. Suhail Ahmad, I really want to learn and go deep into coding languages, but I just end up vibe coding and making products. See, if you're making products and you are, deploying those products and people are using it and you can generate revenue from that product, there's nothing wrong in that. 9.1 bro is a prodigy. Oh, thanks, man. Wow, 9 bro must be a topper in college and also choosing BTech. If bro, what's your tips for maintaining this level of CGPA? First and foremost, don't get distracted by student council bullshit. Yeah, don't get into, see, all these in colleges, we have fest and all, right? So just enjoy that fest, and maybe in your first year you can get into those fest in the management teams and all, but don't make that fest your entire personality, right? Because I've seen most of the people who just they are in the student council, they are doing this, they are doing that, they're doing fest, they're managing fest, and that's their entire personality, and they forget the whole purpose of coming to the college was to learn skills, right? So just enjoy that, enjoy the fest and all, but don't get too indulged in that. For that is the first topic, first point. Second point is, try to learn, like don't depend on college studies. Most of the college is just to get your degree. College does not guarantee placements, no matter which college you are from. They don't, just to get your fees, they will tell that our placements are very high, but the truth is, if you are skilled enough, only then you will get a job, right? So just use your college to get a degree, and that skill that will help you to get a job, you have to learn those skills on your own, right? So make sure you don't waste your time. You enjoy with your friends, obviously enjoy with your friends. I'm not saying that don't enjoy with your friends. Enjoy with your friends, have a good time, laugh every single day. Atharva Deshmukh, hello Atharva, welcome to the stream and thanks for subscribing to this channel. Yeah, enjoy with your friends, but don't forget the main purpose of coming to college, right? Then third point is, don't get backlogs, because backlogs are they will destroy your entire flow. If you get a backlog, what will happen is that you cannot focus on new semester with a fresh mind. You have to have this mindset that okay, I have to clear my backlog, I have to clear my backlog. So it creates unnecessary stress. So don't try not to get any backlogs. And whatever, for example, if you're in a university where a question paper comes from like overall state, your state board creates the university papers, right? Then try to solve previous year questions, right? So that you can find the pattern in the questions. And what I used to do is that I used to teach my, like, I used to study for college exam just before college, but in that time I used to study seriously. So yeah. Okay. 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 For the very important, okay. So you're not following tutorial to learn backend that mention your roadmap. I'll use tutorial just to understand the basics of any backend tech stack. Then I try to see these advanced concepts. I have now not found any good tutorial on YouTube. That's why I'm trying to use AI to teach myself. Okay. So you're not okay. Got it. Yep, 100%. Okay. Suhail, if you were learning JS from scratch, what would you do and how would you learn it? If I was learning JavaScript from scratch, what I would do is that I will go to YouTube. I will go to YouTube, and where is it? I'll go to YouTube, and then I will try to I'll go to YouTube, and then I'll try to find chai or code JavaScript. I'll try to find this, and I will complete this playlist, chai or JavaScript. I'll complete this playlist, and then to get better in JavaScript, I will start solving DSA questions in JavaScript. Okay. We have this. So captcha.service.ts. Okay. Backend src modules auth security. Here we can create captcha.service.ts. Okay. Karthi, I'm an introvert, ASF bro. I can't even walk when there is crowd. So these no way I'm joining in college related to celebrations. See, I will suggest that don't. Being an introvert and not being able to talk to people are two different things. I'm also an introvert. Like I enjoy my alone time, but I'm not. I can talk to anyone. So actually, talking to anyone is actually a very important skill. I think you should also learn that. It will help you. Child Guru, wake up really early in the morning, study for 2 to 3 hours. 1 hour in the morning is equal to okay, nice. Okay, appreciate it, brother. Thanks, Sohail. Why do you stream so late at night? Actually, I enjoy stream when I stream late at night because I want to enjoy the streaming process. I don't want to have any like this tension in my head that I have to end the stream. I just want to enjoy. I want to learn. I want to code. I want to build things, and that's why I do it at night because I can just relax and do it peacefully. Roman Reigns. Hello, Roman. Welcome to the stream. Is DSA really that important? Can I just skip it and get a job? See, if you are targeting product-based company, then DSA is very important. In service-based company, you can skip it. Not human. In my 4 years of college, I never attended my celebration except farewell. See, in my college, I have attended celebrations. Like in my Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, there's this fest called Kalrav. It's a 3 day fest, and lots of celebrities and all come to that fest. And what we and you, my friends, we used to do, we used to get drunk a lot in college. We used to get drunk a lot just before the fest, and then we used to get drunk, and then we used to go to this fest, and we just used to dance. That's what we used to do. Okay. Registration schema. Integration. See, I was in a Japanese club, so I was one of the organizers, so I had to be there, but avoid celebration part alone. Okay. Terence, bro, can you explain when I have to use API in project, please? I don't understand when to use it. See, API are basically, see, in any application, there's a front end. Focus on the left side of the screen. You can see that there's a front end. This is your front end or client side. This is your back end. This is a back end. And this is your DB. And this is your database. Like this is a very simple backend architect, like full stack architecture that I'm showing you. So what happens is that client send a request to backend. Backend does some processing, either fetches data from DB or writes data in the DB, then gets a response and sends this response back to the client. So what is happening in these protocols? How is data going from front end to backend? How is data backend getting this data to process it? So API are like waiters. For example, if you go to a restaurant, basically this is a restaurant. This is a very famous example. If you go to a restaurant, this is a restaurant. You go with your bandi, with your GF. You go to a restaurant, right? You go to a restaurant, and your GF says, "See, I want to eat chicken." See, your GF says that she wants to eat chicken. Okay, then you go to the restaurant. Yes, baby, let's go. Then this is the restaurant table. You book a table, right? Then a waiter comes to you. Waiter comes. You both are here. Waiter comes and asks, "Sir, what would you like to have?" Then you say that I want to have a chicken steak and all these things, right? I want to have chicken burger. I want to have this. I want to have that. Okay. Then waiter takes your order. Then goes to the kitchen. There's a kitchen, and there's a head chef. This is a chef. Then waiter goes to the chef, say ki bro, cook these things. Then chef starts preparing that, and then gives food to the waiter, and waiter brings food to you, right? So basically APIs are like this waiter, right? APIs are like this waiter. So what API does is that API stands for application programming interface, and this is a way of communicating your client side with your backend and exchanging data between backend and front end. So it's a way of communicating between front end and backend. Karthi, I like to communicate with people, bro, but most of them like to alone. And after 12th end, I talked to my two friends, stopped speaking with some of my Pythons in my class. Okay, yeah, man. See, like, don't get awkward when someone talks to you. That's the only thing that I'm trying to say. अरमान भाई जेएस ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा, एक साल बाद प्लेसमेंट है भाई, एक साल है तेरे हाथ में. आई विल सजेस्ट दैट जेएस के लिए गो टू चैर को यूट्यूब चैनल, यू कैन फॉलो अ प्लेलिस्ट देयर. I even now wake up at 4:30 a.m. Just a sec. I wake up at 4:30 a.m. and sleep around 11 in the night. Oh, nice. Okay. Terence, welcome. Karthi. GF sounds like she's having. She's having a throat cancer. Okay. Atharva Deshmukh, bro, just finished 12th, want to do CS engineer. So from where should I start? Means first development or DSA, and your suggestions, please. Two, I want to engineer. Okay, first development. See, you have to do both. You have to do both. It's not that either DSA or development. You have to do both, because DSA will help you crack product-based companies, and projects. If you build good level project, it will help you to crack. Like create a good impression on interview, so that that person selects you. लॉल ओके. हर्षु एक्सप्लेन्स. हेलो हर्षु एक्सप्लेन्स, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. ब्रदर, आज मैंने एक मोर देन 40 एनालिसिस क्यूज का प्रोजेक्ट बनाया डेटा सेट नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए, और उसमें नंपाई पांडास मैटप्लॉटलेस सीबॉर्न यूज़ करके बनाया एंड लिंक्डइन एंड गिट पे डाल दिया. नाइस हर्षु एक्सप्लेन्स, नाइस. ऑल्सो ट्विटर पे भी डालो, ट्विटर पोस्ट इट ऑन ट्विटर. गिव मी द फुल code for die die. Dun, 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 dun. After Nesta, here's the production rate capture service. Yeah, okay. Okay, so also in my, hold on, where is it? Just sec. Config env turn style where interface we have creating interface success challenge ts host name error codes action and c data capture service verify turnstile token and ip address capture token is required try form data. Why are we getting this form data secret secret key response token ip address. Okay. Okay, so from my backend, we are sending the data to the API. Okay, fine. Headers, okay. Body form data. Form data append, okay. ब्रो मेरा अकाउंट बैंक रिटर्न है उन लोगों को बोल के तो मैं प्रिकॉशंस लूँ कि उनको पता है अंदर ही वो अच्छा ओके. Kathy, I have not started learning DSA. Is that any way that I can learn it in best way? You can start learning DSA first. Pick one programming language, either go with Python or JavaScript, and then first learn the fundamentals of any programming language. And then I will suggest that go to Take You Forward YouTube channel. You will find lots of DSA playlists there. You can complete those playlists. Yeah, I have seen Gotham Chess YouTube videos. Okay. Okay, one solution. Hi, one solution. Welcome to stream. Good night, Abhishek and chat. Good night, Suhail, and thanks for joining the stream. In Tamil, Tamil I don't know, bro. I do. Okay, we have this one. There's secret key. So we just need a secret key for backend, right? Config, env config. Where is that .env.sample? Secret key. We have this. Z dot string. This is done. See modules or security basically. Then after this, we have this registration. Give me the full. Okay, just a sec. Before I do this, हमसे एक्सप्लेन बताओ ब्रो क्या प्रिकॉशंस लूँ कि वो मेरे अकाउंट वापस बैन ना करे. आपकी एज कितना है हर्षु एक्सप्लेन्स. अरमान भाई जेएस ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा है एक साथ. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि जेएस का ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता कि जेएस हमेशा के लिए खत्म हो जाता है. यू हैव टू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन गो टू चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल and there you will find this playlist, JavaScript playlist. Yeah, Chai JavaScript playlist. You can complete this playlist. That is enough. Okay, Prince Developer. Hello, Prince Developer. Welcome to the stream. Real me 16, but dogs me 15. Okay, then I will suggest that try to create your own age. Like don't try to fake your age in Twitter. Like don't try to see content that you're not supposed to see on Twitter. That's all I can say. Okay, what we can do is we can close this. Git branch git switch go here git status, git add, git status, commit git commit. Working on implementing cloud flare turn style, git push to origin from this branch, git push origin from this branch, git status, git switch to main branch, git branch, git pull to origin from main, git merge, where is it, this one, git merge this branch, git push to origin from main. Okay, so this we have done. So if I go to my GitHub, hello Aman, welcome to the stream. Is it going fine, brother? How are you? If I go here, main branch Cloudflare, and if I go, where is that? Here, Cloudflare turn style, backend, src, modules, admin, security, production service. Okay, fine, this is fine. And here if I go to the main branch, here if I go backend, so we are working on this now. Okay, we have this src, modules, auth. But today we have implemented account enumeration and refresh token abuse protection. Now we are trying to implement bot protection using Cloudflare turnstile in our backend. That's what we are trying to implement. We have this security service. Okay, it is blank. Fine. Correct. This is correct. And guys, the code, I'm pushing all the code in my GitHub repository. You can find the GitHub repository in the description of the stream, and yeah, you can find the code there. And close it. Close this. Close this. And 409. For this, we have this 409. Okay, fine. This is correct. And if I go here, close this as well. Close this. Then what do we have here? Let's see what is happening in Twitter. Let's go on Twitter. Oh, great, nice. Okay. Let's see. Applications. Home page. Okay, home page. And spaces beyond words. Yeah, SpaceX went public today actually. Did you guys see? भाई क्या हाल है? सब बढ़िया सुदर्शन, कैसे हो आप? Then you will be fine. Okay, at least some array questions or SQL. Okay. And guys, now you can ask your questions. I'm open for questions right now. Now I can answer questions properly. Can you share a Notion backend roadmap? Yes, I have shared my Notion backend roadmap. You can join my Discord server. The Discord server link is in the description of the stream. You will find it here in the Discord server. You can find it in the resources section. I have pinned it. In the pinned chat, you can find all of these. Elon has become a trillionaire. Has he? Is Elon Musk a trillionaire now? Yes. Oh, bro. Elon Musk became a trillionaire. He is the first trillionaire. Damn. Awesome. Bro, his net worth is greater than most of the countries. Nice. First trillionaire of the world. Yeah, man. Okay, I have told you earlier, US Obsidian, not Notion research once, there is no going back. Okay, use Obsidian. Okay. Got it, Sudarshan. I have installed Obsidian, but I have not started using it. In awe of SpaceX and its story, past, present, and future, you can think about 10 plus different ways of and you're really blowing your mind in circles. Huge congrats to the team. If you don't want this moment, then you will never be happy. Okay. SpaceX went public and Elon Musk became a trillionaire. He has better value than the whole of Switzerland. True, man. Nice. And but I have noticed a pattern. When people see there's a difference between becoming a millionaire and billionaire and now a trillionaire, but I have seen that like billionaires, like when you're trying to build something that can make you a billionaire, you have to have that delayed gratification. Like a lot, you will get revenue after so many years. Like I was learning about Amazon, right? For 13 years, Amazon did not see profit. So just imagine like Jeff Bezos has had this vision where he knew that after 13 or 20 years, like we'll be getting profits. So I've seen one pattern that billionaires have like too much long-term vision that most people cannot even understand. Tyler, it's crazy. Welcome, Tyler. Welcome to the stream. Have you tried Claude Fuel 5? Not yet, bro. Not yet. Oh, Kane Williamson retired. I learned how Amazon started. It was crazy. Yeah, man. Amazon, the way Amazon started is very inspiring. Rockefeller, I think, was the first billionaire. Rockefeller. Who was the first billionaire in the world? John D. Rockefeller, I think. Was it John D. Rockefeller? Hold on. Let's see. Was John Rockefeller the first billionaire? Yes, American Oil is widely recorded. Okay, first official billionaire was John D. Rockefeller, right? So he became the first billionaire when? And when did he become a billionaire? 1916. So 1916 he became a billionaire, and after so many years we got our first trillionaire. Like 1916 plus 100. 2016, like first 110. After 110 years we got the first trillionaire. Nice. Bro, can you give me advice? What is your what advice do you need, Tom? What sleep unders to a man? Illuminati hai bhai. Okay. Yeah, Karthi. Brother, it's literally there. Why aren't you seeing it? What? Okay. We have this. Yeah, that is nice. Okay. Atharva, I'm going to do CS engineering. Can you please tell in short what to learn in every year in the 4 year journey? Pick one programming language, do DSA. Either you are interested in development, then go for web dev. Okay. Not billionaire. Okay, okay, yeah, typing mistake. I think you're sleepy. I decided when I was in uni that I want to be in London, worked hard and smart. Now I'm going to doing good in London. That's nice, Agile. Congrats, man. Okay. I'm getting this feeling that this FIFA, I think Portugal can win. Let's see. Elon just created 4,004 millionaires in a single day. I don't know what. These are the SpaceX employees. Bro, SpaceX employees have become millionaires. All of them are millionaires. And they all believed in Elon Musk's vision and they started working on it. Nice. Very inspiring. Bro, so yeah, I saw that. I know about Genghis Khan's net worth. ओके अजय 24 years हो गए लंदन में अभिषेक शर्मा आप भी आओ वन डे इट विल हैपन okay if I get any opportunity like either any good opportunity then why not I would love to go there but it all depends on what if I get an opportunity or not let's see SpaceX IPO wish me luck did he become a 16 hours ago did he become a millionaire what did he get any you are the sixth allocated investor of SpaceX on Robinhood. Guy on the far right is handsome. Far right, okay. Did you skip mine? Which one? No, I did not skip anything. Not human. Walter White. Support Walter White. You know. Just above two messages. Which one? Not billionaire. That one, not billionaire. Like I'm getting that this message is held for review part. Which message you're talking about? Not human. Karthi, what's the share of your company I'm willing to buy it? First, let me build the company. Know about Elon. Like I'm not able to see it in the chat. I know, okay, not human. I know you don't want to say anything, but just see this. Last week, Elon said Europeans and Americans, whites are the least races. Okay, that's a joke, I think. Okay, got it. Okay. Guys, do tell me something interesting that is going on in the world. Like, Tell me something interesting that I can search about and we can learn something new. Okay. Superbase is launching his AI. Tom, hello Tom. I have completed Mount. I watched course video and practice, but after finishing the course now today, I'm trying to build something. I'm feeling like I know nothing. I don't know how to start. When I try to build, I can't. But when I saw code, I can understand. After finishing the course, I'm like I learned nothing. Okay, this is happening because you see you have the knowledge, but you are directly jumping into something complex. Maybe you can try to build something like a to-do application first. Try to, if you are not able to build a to-do application, just write a good API for one API or by yourself using express.js. Do that first. If not, then you can level up later to building a to-do application. Fable 5 is the most interesting right now. Okay, let's see. Let's search Fable 5. Fable 5. Where's the search? Fable 5. Claude Mythos is insane. Just recorded a 12-minute tutorial. Okay. Gotten noticeably worse. Some project people have already built with it. Okay. Claude Fable 5 is really nice, but barely usable in $100 plan. I'm constantly hitting limit. Yeah, Fable 5 is expensive. I know literally nothing about coding, zero, and I just built three fully functional. Yeah, he gave the local host. Okay, I get the pun. Bro, we should do a group project with you in future with viewers. Yeah, man, like in future, maybe I'll do that. Good idea. Bro built his own Minecraft using Fable 5. Local host, yeah, man. Okay, nice. Let's see what's happening in Discord. Okay. Largest IPO in history, $75 billion IPO. Strongest long-term future. Python. Elon Musk is a trillionaire. I'm 100 year. We are not the same. And guys, tell me, like, what's your plan for weekend? Weekend को क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? Karan Bora. Hello, Karan. Welcome to the stream. Paji, if anyone have a challenge of earning 10,000 in a 1 week with his designing development skills, what will be the guidance you will give him? And it will be now he isn't earning 1 rupee. Okay, first, if in 1 week, I would suggest use AI coding agents because right now you don't want to spend time in learning because you just have 1 week. Use AI coding agents to build exceptionally good design. It's all about the creativity, the how much creative you can get. Long term future is C. Okay. Karan, hello bhai. Okay. Karthi, weekend planning is learning AI. Yeah, even my weekend planning is learning AI. Basically, I build this roadmap, right? And in this particular roadmap, I have only implemented. Where is it? Just a sec. In this roadmap, I have only learnt about these things. Module 1 only I have done. And right now I'm doing module 2. I'm doing this off stream. So in this weekend, my goal is to at least complete LLM fundamentals and also phase 2. Like, or build one good phase 1 project. That's my goal for this weekend. Okay. Agile, badminton, DSL update my site and help others. That's nice, Agile. Not human. Karapu movie is out on OTT. My plan is to watch it for fourth time. Lol. That film is good, too good for entertainment. Watch the trailer if you like. Okay, I'll watch it. Not human. Bro, I just seen a Insta reel. They did trading with Claude. Damn, bro, trading with Claude.
I mean, amazing. Yeah, but the thing is, I still need to have that subscription so that I can actually show you my creative side. Apexia, how to get into AI? I think I have built this roadmap for myself. I'm following this roadmap to teach myself. You can follow this roadmap also. Like it takes you from fundamentals in LLM to building your own AI coding agents. Like the end goal is here. If you can see here, the end goal of this roadmap is to, as you can see, phase 15 specialized AI coding agent. That's what I will be building. Like, so you can follow this roadmap, but only prerequisite is that you need to learn about full stack development first. Okay. How to build design sense. Adriel King, design sense, I think, see, design sense is also a science because you have to understand typography. You can go to, yeah, this hold on, this Manu Arora YouTube channel, there's lots of front end topics there. Manu Arora, you can find a lot of front end challenges, like front end topics here. In this particular YouTube channel, you can find lots of front end topics. I learned Tailwind from there. But if you want to get into UI UX side, UI/UX design full course, there was this course, just a sec. Yeah, this guy, Figma UI, like this thing you can understand, like you can follow this playlist or this 2 hours course. Yeah. ADL, I came from his life is not replying. Okay, got it. Golang course. See, Golang course, I found a very good YouTube channel for that. If you go to Discord, and in my resources, I've shared this one. This is actually one of the best YouTube channel for learning Golang. So if you're interested in learning Golang, you can see this YouTube channel by Tiago. This channel is filled with Golang topics. If you can see, just a sec. See Golang you can see this Backend Go API full course. This one, complete backend engineering course in Go. You can follow this to learn Golang. I just passed 12th, getting into college, and these so much things to learn. It's getting confusing how to start. Don't get confused. Pick one thing. Pick one topic. Either you can go into development, you can go into AI ML. Just pick one side and be consistent in that. I have access to Claude paid version, but I use only when I stuck for long time. Else your problem solving skills will degrade. True, I agree. Agile. Install uBlock origin extension for AdBlock. Okay, got it. Not human. Karan Bora. Hello Karan, welcome to the stream. Bhai, how to find quality leads for website development? See, I always got my clients through my own network, my friends, families. Like there was a point where I reached people and told them these are my skills, and if you know someone, please recommend me. That's what I used to do, and that's how I used to get my clients. So this helps a lot. Technical. Hey, I'm in second year student working US startup in free of experience. There is Codex for coding, but what I can do along with that to advance my logical and coding thinking. So you are already working in startup. That's very good. And I think what you can do is whatever tech stacks you know, you can start learning project. Like you can start building projects like without using AI. That will help you to learn advanced topics. And I have also built a roadmap that you can use. I have shared this roadmap in the Discord server. I'm using this roadmap to teach myself. So yeah, you can follow this roadmap. I've shared it in my Discord server. Apexia, any advice or suggestion, bro? Any regrets you have as a bigger brother? You could help us not doing the same, and you wished you could have done it that way. Okay, Apexia, I think one regret that I have is when I was in college, I was switching my tech stack a lot. Like one day I was doing Django, then another day I was doing React Native, then another day I was doing Java. I used to switch my tech stack a lot when I was in college, right? And I think when I look back at myself right now, I think that did help me, but I think it would have been better if I just just stuck with one tech stack as a college student, and I focused more on getting good at that one particular tech stack. So if you're in college, I think you should pick one tech stack, you should pick one line and try to be good in that. Not human. And bro, don't scroll fast, the bitrate gets affected. Okay, got it. Thanks, not human. Ideal King. Hindi resource for Golang, coder by Gyan. Okay, got it. You can check it out. Apply now for lifetime for free credit card. Okay. Drop your SaaS. If you are a solo founder building right now, drop your product below. Okay. Tesla FSD rolling out now. Elon launching rockets and becoming the first trillionaire. You are still focused on CRUD app. No, bro, I don't technically agree with this point because everybody has a starting point, and I think that if somebody is trying to start with a $2K a month, there's nothing wrong in that. Like slowly we level up. Okay. Top AI tools pricing. Okay. Not human. Yeah, let me make a rocket. I just need to buy an A4 sheet. Okay. Palak Sharma. Hello, Palak. Welcome to the stream. What would you say to a person starting 4th year BTech to secure good job in 2027? Okay. First, make sure you know one good programming language really well, because as a BTech student, as an engineering student, programming language is your, like bread and butter. So make sure you know at least one good programming language, either Java, Python or JavaScript. Pick one and make sure you know that properly. Build a habit of solving DSA questions every single day. You don't have to solve 10 different questions. Make a habit of solving 1 or 2 DSA questions every single day and do it for the next 1 year. What this will do is that this will, first improve your command over a programming language. Second, it will build your logic building skills. And along with DSA, just give your 1 to 2 hours to DSA every single day, and rest of the day do development, because development will help you build projects, right? Development helps you to build projects, deploy those projects, build a strong resume, and build in public. Build in public, I mean go to Twitter, post about your projects every single day, what you are learning, how you are learning it, what are the obstacles you are trying to overcome. Do that every single day, build projects, build a strong resume, and start applying to companies. Okay. Technical, thank you for advice. We'll check the roadmap. Welcome, Technical. Karthi, I forgot how to make paper plane. Paper plane is I still remember. I think if you have built something with Claude Code or Codex, share it here. Okay. Any Python playlist which is best? I learned Python from Code with Harry YouTube channel. You can learn it from Jair Code YouTube channel as well, Code with Harry YouTube channel as well. There are lots of, you just need to watch 1 or 2 good videos on Python, like long-term videos, 4 to 5 hours videos, and you will learn Python properly. Ajay, thanks everyone. Good to see everyone is trying to learn. Abhishek Hela is sharing good wisdom. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Agile Guru, logging off. Thanks, Agile Guru. Thanks for dropping by. Make Sham. Hello, Make Sham. Welcome to stream. Where do you see yourself in next 69 year? I see myself financially free. I see myself enjoying a solid vacation in my mansion that has a swimming pool. It has a big garage with lots of supercars. I see myself in that position. Then in my mansion there is a lawn, and in the entrance there's a fountain. I have lots of cars, but I'm so bored with supercars that I want to buy a yacht. That's how I see myself in next 69 years. Okay. Okay. Heaven. Hello, Indian King. Bro is strong. Bro is strong in having a swimming pool. Yeah, man. Swimming pool is a must. Snow VA. Hey, first time watching you. Hello, Snow VA. Welcome to the stream, brother. Where are you from? My name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to learn advanced backend system design. And today's development session is done. Now we are just chilling and we are trying to, like figure out what is going on in the world. And then we are like, I'm reading the chats, I'm replying to the chats right now. Like my goal is to build my own startup, and for that I'm trying to learn advanced backend system design concepts, so that because the idea that I have for my startup is really backend heavy, so that's what I'm trying to do. Do you know Daniel Hirsch YouTuber? No, I don't know that. I did not check it out. He's not human. So everyone has same plan for future. Something like that. ब्रो कुछ हो ना हो, स्विमिंग पूल होना चाहिए. Which AI tool is best for developers? Like it's a good day for people. Elon Musk became a trillionaire. Mr. Beast got 500 million subscribers. Make Sham, which YouTube influencer you follow and never miss? YouTube influencer. Actually, if you see my feed, my feed is filled with this kind of content, like where people are trying to build something and all. I like Henry Huberman. I like Alex Friedman. English, please. I said that. No matter what happens, a swimming pool should be there in my mansion. I don't care about other things. I need a swimming pool. Okay. Technical message retracted. Okay. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with swimming pool. Nobody wants to admit it, but vibe coding works until an app has actual users. Then you discover what senior engineers have been getting paid for. True. Palak Sharma, what mistakes could you tell to a final year student not to do? In final year, try not to waste your time with all these student council things, all these fest and all. Enjoy the fest, but don't waste your time into getting into the management side of the fest, because those are waste of time, in my opinion. And secondly, use your time well. Enjoy with your friends, because fourth year is also your last year in your college. If you're not doing MTech, enjoy with your friends, but don't ever get a back in fourth year, because then entire placement ka schedule will be gone, right? Don't try to get a back in placement like in fourth year. Avoid backs. Make sure you try to get a good CGPA in your fourth year. Maybe in fourth year, in final semester, you have a major project, if I'm not wrong, because I had a major project in fourth year. Focus on your major project also, but as I said, start preparing for placements. Technical, I think you have that spark, so do I. Will meet one day as successful entrepreneur. Thanks, Technical. Thanks. Hopefully, we all make it. Whoever in this chat, I hope you guys make it. I hope I make it, and we can just enjoy in our mansion, in our swimming pool. Karthi, yeah, I heard you saying swimming at least twice now. Bro has something personal with swimming pool. Yeah. Make Sham on ground floor or on top of the building. Both. Why not both? If I'm in ground floor, then I can go to swimming pool. If I'm in top floor, then also I can go to swimming pool. Why not both? And also helipad. My short-term goal is to get a PC set up with decent specs. I'm done with low and laptops. Yeah, man. Like even I want to build my own PC and all. You're right. Okay, that one on-call problem is unsolved. Become trainer until age 54. Relax, you still have time. Be honest, devs, is coding still worth it? Yeah, obviously it is worth it. You can get the same in YCT. I'm talking about the real life other thing. Palak Sharma, have you done BTech from which college? I have done BTech from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. I completed my BTech back in 2023. Okay. Today my little app crossed 1000 MRR. Nice. What is this app about? Such videos raise the bar. Okay. Let's see what are people building in public. Okay, nice. Not human. What if Abhishek is destined to be a dev streamer? I will be first follower and moderator. Oh, thanks, not human. Thanks a lot. Let's see what is written in the destiny. But I believe in consistency and discipline. I don't believe in luck. I just believe in consistency, discipline, and willpower. That's it. Okay, we have this profile. And guys, I'm more active on Twitter, so if you want to follow me on Twitter, the link is in the description of the stream. Technical, any best DS playlist for free? DS you mean data science or DS you mean data structures? Can you give the full form? Karthi, I have second hand Dell Latitude i7. Okay, and I have to use it for 3 years and it's really working well. 16 GB actually solves most of the problem. Karthi, okay. DSA. Okay, for DSA, you can go to this Take You Forward YouTube channel. Like, there's this YouTuber Striver. I think his courses are very good. Like, this online free courses are very good. What you can do is you can follow this playlist called A to Z DSA course. You can follow this playlist. It will help you. Also, if you want to learn from basics, you can go to Chai or Code, and there you can follow. Hold on. You can follow this playlist. Hold on. Chai or just a sec. There is a DSA course as well. Hold on. Chai or DSA, this playlist. You can follow this playlist as well. If you want to learn the basics, like you can learn the basics from here, and then you can start solving questions. Okay. Okay, fine. We have this. All right. Not human. Me neither. I just say things like that for fun. I think things like God, figures, and destiny and astrology are just emotional dependency or something, just to let go of the grief. I agree, not human. I agree with you. I agree with you, man. Okay, we have this. Fine. Close this. Close this. Close this. And close this here. Close this. Okay, fine. We have this. All right. Kathi, do you guys believe in God? This question answer I will not give out in public. If you want to know this question's answer, I'll give this answer few years later, not now. Okay. Alright everyone, I think I'll wrap up now. And thanks for joining the stream. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye and good night. You're very inspiring. Thanks, Technical. Thanks a lot.